on this issue of avian influenza, something which is very critical, and we need to communicate to the public what the situation is as far as that issue is concerned. As it has already been reported, an outbreak of a highly pathogenic avian influenza, commonly known as bird flu, has been reported in Uganda in wild ducks, birds at Lubembe Beach along the shores of Lake Victoria, near Entebbe in Masaka and Wakiso districts, as per the notifications by the World Animal Health Organization on the 16th January 2017. Following the outbreaks in 2005 in other parts of the world, mainly Asia, parts of Europe and Africa, preparedness and response plans were developed in Kenya in order to prevent disease outbreak and spread from where it had occurred. As a result, Kenya banned during that time the importation of poultry and poultry products from affected countries and enhanced surveillance for the disease. Further, a multidisciplinary task force was formed to guide the development of a national action plan, contingency plan, rapid response protocol, and communication strategy for avian influenza, commonly known as bird flu. As at present, therefore, Kenya is free from bird flu, a status which we must strive to maintain. Now, following the reported outbreak in our neighboring country, Uganda, there is need to enhance surveillance at our common border in the counties of Busia, Bungoma, Trans Nzoia, Turkana, West Pokot, Siaya, Kisumu, Homa Bay, and Migori. The government has banned importation of poultry and poultry products from Uganda with immediate effect, and this has already been gazetted. We are already in touch with the Ugandan veterinary authorities not to issue any export permits for poultry and poultry products destined to Kenya in line with Animal Disease Act, Meat Control Act. Any import or export permits earlier issued over the same are equally cancelled.